Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jaz.
Hi!
And today we're going to be unboxing a few Funko Pops from EMP. EMP, you've probably heard us talking about EMP all the time. This is basically where we go for our Funko shop exclusives because they've just teamed up with FUNKO Europe. This is where they do decent exclusives like Hot Topic exclusives, and sometimes it comes with a Hot Topic sticker most of the times. They've just been putting like the new Disney Treasures box on, and which was the Aladdin box, I think they put that on. There's quite a few things on there. There's the Aquaman box as well, that looks good as well. But anyway, yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description to EMP. Story is, I contacted EMP and turned around and said, could we please have a code to offer our viewers to save some money on some Funko Pops. Not a referral code or anything like that. We just wanted basically to save for you to save some money, and us to save some money on Funko Pops and stuff. So they came back to us and turned around and said, yes, we'll be happy to give you a code. So they give us a code which is Danny Jaz, capitals, which gets you 12% off over a £35 spend. So spend £35 or over, you get 12% off, which is good because the Disney box at the moment, the Disney Treasures box, it is like the collector's box is, I think it was £41.99, but with our code it's £36 something, so you're saving quite a little bit of money. Anyway, they came back with that code with us, and they also turned around and said, could we send you some Funko Pops and for you to do a video? Of course you can, that's just what we do. So they sent us this package with some Funko Pops in. So basically we're going to open it, see what we got, and go from there. So yeah, so like I say, I'll leave all the links in the description and the code for your 12% off, all in the description. So there's only one thing left to do, Jaz, and that is... It is.
Open the box. Open the box. The box is now
open.
Yeah.
So it feels quite round actually. So let's have a look. See what's in it, Jaz. Oh. Oh, I like that. Seen this? Don't have to show them.
They're in boxes.
So they're all in separate sort of boxes, which is nice. With EMP as well, I'm not just bigging them up because they sent us some pops, but you've seen our other videos before, and they always come wrapped in a bubble wrap bag. I've never had a bad word to say about EMP, have we? It always comes, like I say, in a bubble wrap bag, and packaging's always spot on. So, like I say, this is what I'm talking about. So this is the bubble wrap bags they send them in. Don't do that, I reuse. So yeah, they send them in always like one of these. You probably know if you've got the EMP.
Here's Superman.
So we have Superman. I have already got this one. So I would have liked the chase of it, like. I'm not whinging, but the chase one's got red eyes, I think. There he is down there.
I want to start with that.
Alright, yeah. Do you know what I might do, Jaz?
Yeah.
Should we do a giveaway for this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, stay tuned. I'm going to give this away at the end. Why not?
Here
Like to give back.
I didn't show the whole of the box.
Oh, sorry. So yeah, it is the Superman. It is fairly new, and as you can see, it's come with a Hot Topic sticker, which is nice because us in the UK, nightmare get Hot Topic stickers, and if you do want like a special sticker from the US, it does cost you that extra in the UK, so that's why we do like EMP as well. So yeah, it is the Superman. Also as well, if I've said before in our videos that we have the Backstage Club Pass. We paid, I think it was £15 for the year, and you get free delivery all year. That's worth it, because they're getting more and more pops in recently. I think they've just got loads of Freddy Funko ones in, haven't they? The Zodiac ones. So yeah, anyway. Who's talking to me?
I don't know what you're going on about.
Do you know the Star Sam ones?
Alright.
They've got them ones in. Don't be chucking that on the floor. Just leave them all there. Right, we'll go this one first, Jaz. Don't know what you're opening. Brilliant. So yeah, first one's Superman from Flashpoint. This one is...
Peter Parker.
I haven't got this one.
Oh, it's from the Into the Spider-Verse one?
Yeah, I haven't got this one. It's pretty cool.
Reusable. And it is Peter Parker from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse.
Cool. So yeah, Peter Parker. Is that the one where he's hovering?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I've only got three Spider-Man pops. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 Spider-Man pops. I wouldn't mind the 10-inch Green Goblin, yeah. That looks good, doesn't it?
I like all of them, really.
Yeah, the cool liner.
Yeah.
Spider-Gwen's good. So, do you want to take it out?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Nice.
Sorry. Can I open the next one? Open the box. So, well, let's have a look then. I wonder if it's like on it already, or you have to put it on. Oh, you have to put it on. Right.
So let me just show this.
So yeah, we have it's like hovering in the air. That's cool. And got that one. That's awesome. We're going straight into the collection. I like that. So yeah, I'll put that back in while you open the box.
It's not the size of properly.
I'm gonna leave this stand now because it's. I might take it out of the box and put it on the shelf so it looks good, you know, like just hovering there.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
So this one is
Good.
it is Baby Groot. I have actually ordered this 10-inch one, so stay tuned for that video. But that is cute as. So I think it's an oldish one, so Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. So, but yeah, I'll take it out. Oh, I keep taking it from you, don't I?
Yep.
Lots of people ask us, Jaz, why we open the boxes from the bottom.
It's so they're nice and protected on the top, and if we wanted to further on in life that we wanted to sell them on, because
Right.
if we didn't want them anymore, we could have them in nice condition for the next person.
There you go. For all you people that asked. So we have Baby Groot.
So tiny.
He's cute. Baby Groot is cute. Right. So, let's have the next one. No, his head is fall off. Right, now we have this one, which is number 4 of the 4 we got sent. And this is...
From the old / new kind of thing movie, Christopher Robin.
Yep, it is. These bags are cool. It is. Sorry, it is Tigger from the Christopher Robin movie. I do like these pops because they're different than the original ones. They're like a little bit faded. They look a bit more realistic to me. But yeah, it's this nice. I like this, and I don't think your mum's got one of these, has she?
Yeah, she has. She's got Winnie the Pooh flocked with the balloon.
Oh, all right. Oh, but she hasn't got this one. That's cool. So, do you want to take it off?
Yeah.
Let's do it. These are classies. So yeah, we have Tigger. Tigger. Sounds nothing like it. So yeah, we have Tigger. These are coolies. So yeah, that is Tigger from Christopher Robin. So basically that is the pops that EMP have sent us. Oh, yep, I won't forget that, Jaz. So we've decided to do a giveaway for the Superman. If you would like this pop, all you got to do is basically leave a comment just to say that you would like to be entered to win the Superman. Don't forget to keep liking and sharing and commenting and stuff like that. Yep, this is the pop. Yep, so all you have to do is just comment and say, please could I be entered, or enter me, or something like that. And you'll pick one, won't you?
Yeah.
So, and don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Plus notifications. Because you'll be entered into a
mystery box giveaway. Did I do good?
Yeah.
No.
I'll give you a B minus.
Damn it. So, as always, we appreciate you tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye! It was for a month, by the way. At the end of the month, I mean, bye.